On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram error problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go into the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, in this page you will find every single app you have in your mobile phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. After that, it will take you into the app informations page. Click here on data usage and disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, click on delete, go back to the home page, go to the settings again and open the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and after that disable it. And last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.